Me are Warner Trimble, and it's my fruit tree.
These are your fruit trees. This is Warner Trimble, and this is a part of his orchard, the family orchard. And what kind of tree is this, Warner? This is a Pluerry tree?
Pluerry tree.
Yeah, okay. And what happens? What happens with this Pluerry tree?
And what is this? It's fiery blue flowers,
The white pretty flowers?
Fruit.
And then it turns into fruit. Can you show us where the fruit is on this tree, Warner?
Yeah.
Can you walk over there and show us some of the flowers that turn into a piece of fruit?
Yeah.
Let me get you right here.
These little flowers turn on these fruit.
Oh.
These fruit.
Oh, and this is a Pluerry tree, huh?
Yeah, and this one's are more bigger.
Okay, okay.
These ones are
And what kind of tree is this, Warner? Is this a plum tree?
Yeah, plum tree.
Oh, and this does the same thing, right?
Yeah. They both fruit for us to eat.
Oh, plum. Oh, makes fruit for us to eat.
Yeah.
All right. And you are you're Warner Mr. Trees Trimble?
Yeah.
All right.
And
Stay tuned.